arrived here yesterday evening, and I've just been busy inside cleaning up and peeling glue off the tile that I installed behind the wood stove. So very tedious. So I also saw some people, some neighbors, last time I was up, twice they came by the property. I think they walked through here. These are fresh too. So maybe something was digging, because it's only in specific spots. And I see our friend here has extended his property. So this is becoming quite a complex abode. Look at that. So cute. So I have the arborists coming over tomorrow. They weren't supposed to be coming over. They were supposed to be coming over next week, because I timed it so that I would only be here on 2 days. But they said that tomorrow is the day. Look at that. The beavers took away the tree that they cut down last week. Like, I really like that they do that they use it. That is phenomenal. So they're coming over tomorrow to get the fallen tree down, as well as that birch and that other hemlock over there, that the birch and the hemlock, and that's the one that snapped. And they're going to address the birch over here with the broken branch. I really thought long and hard about the tree, because I don't want to take it down. But Jeremy said that when there's a storm, that a tree doesn't necessarily fall in the direction in which it leans, that it depends on which direction the wind is blowing. So that got me a little concerned. So the branch is just dangling right there. And if that branch falls, obviously the tips are going to break the fall. And it can either fall this way or that way. And that's a big no-no. And my decision with regards to this tree is the birch. It's going to be taken down as much as it bothers me. Yeah, somewhere in the tree there's a hole and water's getting through, and it's coming between the trunk and exiting where there's new growth. Over there, there's a couple of branches actually that are growing. You can see it from the kitchen window. So obviously the tree is compromised and there's several chagas on it. I don't want to be faced with dealing with this again in another few years. So we talked about this tree at length when Jeremy was here. And after thinking about it further, it has to be taken down. I can't take the risk because it may be a costly risk. So it's pretty cold here, and they're calling for snow showers throughout the week and snow next, I think next Monday, like a week from tomorrow. So I'm not looking forward to that. I hope I'll be able to come up as much as I can. But I think my days are numbered here. Good morning. So this is what I woke up to today. Boo! You can see where the heated line is, like right there. Let's just hope that it's gonna be like this. It's gonna warm up again. So this is not gonna stay on the ground, but this is just what's going to be expected. Did all the trim up above. Yeah. Once it's got the mortar, it'll look different, and there's going to be a piece of trim above it. If over here, I'm just going to caulk, and again, that inverted, if I don't like the way that it looks. I think because it's zigzag, I'll be okay with it, but I'm really not sure. So I have to play it by ear. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Now I just have to get the grout on, which you know is not a favorite of mine. It looks a little wonky for some reason, and I've put the level to it a couple of times, and it is level. I don't know if it's just an optical illusion or what it is. Yeah, it's better from here. So, and because some of the edges at the top are not completely perfect, yeah, I tried to get someone to cut the tile for me. So the roofers randomly showed up with a red roof when I had ordered black. So he's telling me that that's not what I ordered. I am in shock. So I don't know if they started cutting down pieces or what they did, but that's there. This is here. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. So the arborists are here. Bye-bye, Birchy. Very sad. The branch is right there. They've already taken down the dead tree and the fallen tree, as well as the birch stump that we had there. He said it was pretty rotten inside. So they've already taken away a whole thing of wood chips. So got the guy up on the tree. There was another one down there. Some of the logs fell over on those little trees. Oh my gosh. Wow, 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 wow. This is so sad.